second dessert, we're gonna honor one battle after another, one brittle after Anutter. It's nut brittle cream cheese bars with a drizzle of dark chocolate. Was very nutty, then it had a very creamy, easy 16-year period, and then it went full out nutty again. Instead of just making a peanut brittle, I decided to add a couple more nuts because there were a lot of nuts in this movie. We've got the nut brittle, we've got the cream cheese bar part, and the drizzle of chocolate. This is so good. It is decadent, it is rich, it's perfection. KitchAnnette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.